Hey, what's up guys? It's Steph here. Welcome back to our very last day of our 21 Days to a Clean Home series. I am wearing my Canadian tuxedo to celebrate the end of this series with you and just celebrate your progress, any check marks you got during this series, or even any little habits you picked up or little changes you made in your life for the better. I want you to celebrate those today. It wasn't about being perfect. It wasn't about hitting every day or adopting this entire system in 21 days. It was about just finding little ways to make our life easier. So today is day 21. It's our official last day of our 21 day series. And for our last day, we are gonna focus on the second half of the weekly clean. So pull out your weekly cleaning schedule and you'll see under Monday, there's the weekly home blessing. And last week we did change sheets, empty garbages, and polish mirrors. This week we're just gonna do that second half. So if you have the energy, try to do the whole thing. But if not, just do that second half. So dust, vacuum, and mop. I like to do them in that order because you're kind of working top down, getting all the dust off things, vacuuming it all up, and then mopping it all up. I set the timer for 10 minutes for each task, and once it's done, it's done. I get a ton of people saying, you know, I'm not finished my whole house. It's not about getting your whole house done, it's about doing 10 minutes, because 10 minutes every week, week after week, will keep your house at a nice, maintained, clean level. If you wanna go a little bit over time, don't worry about it. Sometimes I go a little bit longer too, because you know, I'm feeling inspired to clean, but try to at least get that 10 minutes done. You'll be so glad you did. So I'll show you really quick what I'm gonna do for my main traffic areas: dust, mop, vacuum, and that's the end of our weekly home blessing and the end of our 21 day series.
So the first thing I like to do is dusting. In my cleaning caddy, I have my own homemade spray that I make of soapy water. It's just a spray bottle full of water and a little bit of soap in it, just regular dish soap. And that's what I use to pretty much wipe down all my surfaces. I don't move too many things out of the way, I just do my best. Same as vacuuming, I'll move a few things out of the way, a couple of chairs here and there, but I mostly just try to get the main areas of the house and just vacuum everything up as best I can. I use my same soapy water spray bottle to mop the floors. I find it makes it work really fast and I'm able to get it done in no time at all. All right, you guys, there it is, the last check mark on our 21 days checklist. I'm so proud of you. This has been such an amazing journey, and I know I've even been able to refine some of my routines and habits, so thank you so much. When you go over to your weekly cleaning schedule, make sure you're refreshing it for today, writing in those habits at the top that you're going to try and stick to for your daily routines, and then check off those 3 tasks: vacuuming, dusting, and mopping under the weekly home blessing on Monday Daily Focus.
Okay, so that's it. We have come to the end of our series. I hope you learned something. I hope you found this motivating and you found a few habits that you're gonna implement in your life to make it easier for you. This whole system is meant to be modified around your life and made to work around your schedule. So please make sure you're changing anything in here that's not working for you, and let me know if you find something that you think everyone else will benefit from. I learned so much from the comments, so make sure you're always leaving your comments and your encouragements for everyone else down below. Thank you so much for joining me for this 21 days. I'm so glad I've refilmed them. It's really come a long way since I first started doing this system 2 years ago. So I hope you enjoyed following along with me, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.